Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. If you're watching this video, then you're looking at athletic greens, which are also known as AG1, and you're asking yourself some questions like, what health benefits does it offer? How convenient is it for my lifestyle? Will I be happy with the taste and texture? And is it worth it for me? The answers to these questions and more are exactly what we're going to look at in this video. I'll be reviewing athletic greens and telling you about important features as well as pros and cons. At the end of this video, I'll tell you how you can download my guide, which contains an easy-to-use feature checklist and answers to frequently asked questions. As always, if you like this video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you end up buying athletic greens, please use my referral link so that I'll earn rewards through the Athletic Greens website at no cost to you. If you decide to buy the product through Amazon, please use my Amazon affiliate link so that Amazon will send me a small commission, also at no cost to you. Before I get started, I'll give you some information along with a few disclaimers and warnings. First, this video discusses the use of athletic greens, but it's not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have a pre-existing health condition, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking medication, you should consult with a qualified healthcare professional before using athletic greens or any other dietary supplement. Second, results and experiences with athletic greens may vary from person to person. There are many individual factors that can influence the effectiveness of the product, and just because someone else has success with AG1s, it doesn't mean that you will. Third, athletic greens contains a variety of ingredients, so individuals with allergies or sensitivities should carefully review the list of ingredients for potential allergens. If you have known allergies or sensitivities, you should consult with a healthcare professional before using the product. Fourth, athletic greens isn't intended to replace meals and should be used only as a supplement to a balanced and varied diet to fill potential nutritional gaps. As it shows on the bag, it also isn't intended to treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Fifth, the taste of athletic greens is subjective and individual preferences may vary. Some people don't like the taste, so before you jump in, if you can, you should try to test a small serving first. If you're going to be using this product over a long period of time, you'll probably want to like the taste, or at least not dislike it. Sixth, I've never tried to return athletic greens, so if you think that this is something that you may want to do, be sure to check and know what kind of return policies or satisfaction guarantees exist before you buy. Seventh and last, the statements I'm making in this video haven't been evaluated by any regulatory authorities and are intended for entertainment and educational purposes only and shouldn't be considered medical advice. Okay, so with that out of the way, the first thing I want to do is showcase the packaging and contents of the product when you order the full-size subscription pack. As we dive in, the first thing I notice is the attention to detail. Everything is neatly organized, and it's clear that they've put a lot of thought into the unboxing experience. All in all, what we have here is 2 standard size AG1 bags, a metal canister, 5 travel packs, a metal scooper, 2 shaker bottles, a liquid dietary supplement of vitamins D3 and K2, and a welcome guide. Right off the bat, the first thing I noticed is this metal canister. This canister is durable and protects your athletic greens powder and helps maintain freshness by protecting it from light and moisture. After finishing one batch of athletic greens, the canister is reusable, so you can just refill it and pop it back into the refrigerator. I also like the metal scooper that comes with this package. Although each bag has a small plastic scooper inside, using the metal scooper is much better because it's longer and it makes for cleaner scooping. Once you've got a scoop, it's easy to pour it into one of the see-through shaker bottles and fill it with the right amount of water using the markings on the bottle. As the welcome guide says, it's suggested that you add 1 scoop to between 8 and 10 ounces of cold water. Going back to the bottle for a moment, I should note that it has a sturdy feel and it isn't just a regular shaker bottle. I've used many other shaker bottles in the past, and this one is definitely higher end. The great thing about 2 of these bottles being included is that if you're taking AG1s with someone, like a friend or partner, you've got 2 shaker bottles. If you're taking it by yourself, you can use the second one to take AG1s to the gym or when traveling. Speaking of travel, the full-size version comes with 5 of these travel packs. As the welcome guide says, it's recommended that you take AG1s every morning on an empty stomach for best absorption and consistency. So if you know that you're going to be away and you don't want to miss your daily dose, you can take some AG1 travel packs with you and you're good to go. These packs are individually portioned, so they're really convenient. You just put them in a container, add water, and that's it. No measuring needed. In addition to coming with travel packs, the full-size subscription pack also comes with 2 full-size AG1 bags, which are 360 grams or 12.7 ounces. With the subscription pack, you also receive a 1 fluidic ounce or 30 milliliter bottle of this liquid vitamin D3 and K2 supplement, which is estimated to provide 600 servings. Because vitamins D3 and K2 aren't included in the powder formula, these drops are also provided, and it's recommended that you take 1 full dropper each day. The final item that comes with the AG1 subscription pack is this welcome guide. If you'd like to see a scanned copy, I've included one with my guide, which I'll tell you more about at the end of this video. So what's actually in Athletic Greens? According to the guide, Athletic Greens contains multivitamins, multiminerals, prebiotics, probiotics, greens, superfoods, stress adaptogens, functional mushrooms, and antioxidants. As for how much of each of these are in a pack, it's actually a mystery, because to maintain quality, the manufacturer is always adjusting the formula based on the availability of ingredients, which means that each bag may contain slightly different amounts. As for what's not in Athletic Greens, there's no gluten, no dairy, no pesticides, no herbicides, no GMOs, no added sugar, no egg, no lactose or sucrose, and no animal byproducts. For vegans, please note that Athletic Greens is not strictly vegan, as it may contain some ingredients from bee and marine sources. Alright, so now that I've shown you what comes with the product and I've told you what's in Athletic Greens, I'll tell you about my experience using it. To prepare for this review, I've been using Athletic Greens for the past year. Since starting, I'm happy to report that I haven't had a serious cold, flu, or any other kind of sickness. I did have a bit of a cold in October, but it was very mild, lasting only a few days, and it didn't slow me down or bother me very much. Generally speaking, I've been in good health since starting to take Athletic Greens. Every morning when I wake up, drinking them is the first thing I do. I put a single scoop into a bottle, add water, shake it up until it's dissolved, and drink it over the span of about 5 to 10 minutes. And although the manufacturer says that you can add lemon or mix it with a smoothie, I haven't felt the need to do that, and I just drink it with cold tap water. For the times I'm traveling, I either bring some travel packs with me, or I just pack my canister or a full-size bag in my luggage. If I bring a full-size bag, I double bag it in a plastic bag to ensure that there aren't any spills in my luggage. At this point, taking Athletic Greens has become a simple and consistent part of my morning routine. As someone who keeps busy, finding a convenient and comprehensive supplement was important for me. As for the taste, I've already mentioned that some people don't like the taste of Athletic Greens, but for me, I think that they have a mildly sweet and enjoyable taste. I usually just add it to water, shake it up, and it's good to go with little or no clumps or residue. As for the nutrient profile, I've already mentioned what's in it and what's not. However, the long story short is that Athletic Greens is loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. To me, I look at it as a nutritional insurance policy, which ensures that I'm getting a wide range of nutrients every day. Instead of juggling multiple supplements, Athletic Greens consolidates everything into one scoop, and it's great to know that I'm supporting my health with such a comprehensive blend. Since starting with Athletic Greens, I've noticed an improvement in my energy levels, and my immune system feels more robust. Another thing I'll mention is that I really like how easy it is to order and receive Athletic Greens from the manufacturer and customize my needs. I can set the frequency of my orders, increasing or reducing how many bags I want to receive, and I even receive text messages before orders are sent, just in case I want to make any changes. This piece also goes to the convenience of using Athletic Greens and how simple it is and how easily it integrates with my life. So if you're considering using Athletic Greens, as with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, I find that Athletic Greens provide comprehensive nutrition, convenience, quality ingredients, and an enjoyable taste. On the negative side, Athletic Greens tend to be on the higher end of the price spectrum. While many may feel that it's worth the investment, this can be a serious drawback for people on a budget. Another issue is that because the manufacturer uses custom formulas to ensure quality and freshness, it means that no two batches are exactly the same. For people who want full transparency when it comes to what they're consuming, this can be a problem. However, for me, I put my faith in the company's commitment to providing the best possible product, even if they don't disclose the exact composition of ingredients in each bag. Even if I don't know exactly what I'm getting from Athletic Greens, the result speaks for itself. Since starting, I feel more energized, more focused, and my overall well-being seems to have improved. If you plan on getting into Athletic Greens, you may just need to trust the process and the company's reputation. If you're not interested in doing this and you think that you can get better results at a lower cost by using different supplements or food sources, then I'd go with that option. Okay, so before I wrap up, if you liked this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If there's anything that you have questions about that I didn't cover in this video, please be sure to comment below and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. If you end up purchasing Athletic Greens, please use my referral link so that I'll earn rewards through the Athletic Greens website at no cost to you. If you decide to purchase the product through Amazon, please use my affiliate link so that Amazon will send me a small commission at no cost to you. So with that, there you have it. That's my review of Athletic Greens. If you'd like to download my simple guide, which contains a scan of the welcome guide, an easy-to-use feature checklist, and answers to frequently asked questions, please visit my website at www.seandoman.com. Thanks again for watching. As always, I'm Sean Doman.